In this video we're going to be talking about the top 5 stun guns, so get comfortable and let's dive in. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Introducing the Taser Bolt 2, the ultimate self-defense device designed to keep you safe in any situation. As the newest civilian self-defense device from public safety's most trusted partner, this personal protection kit is packed with features to ensure your safety. With the Taser Bolt 2, you'll receive everything you need to stay protected, including the device itself, 2 cartridges, a battery pack, a wrist strap, a conductive practice target, and a cover leash. Built to withstand any weather conditions, this device is weather-resistant with an IP53 ingress protection rating. It has been tested against MIL, STD, 810G standards for sand and dust as well as rain according to IEC 60529. Safety from a distance is guaranteed with the Taser Bolt 2's impressive 15-foot range. It provides a safe space between you and danger. And for close encounters, it features contact stun capabilities for added protection. In a dangerous situation, every second counts. That's why the Taser Bolt 2 immobilizes an attacker for up to 30 seconds, allowing you precious moments to reach safety. Despite its incredible functionality, the Taser Bolt 2 maintains a discreet design. Its compact shape ensures non-lethal protection without drawing unwanted attention. Additionally, the device includes a powerful 210-lumen LED light for illumination purposes. Whether you're navigating in the dark or signaling for help, this feature has got you covered. Stay protected and confident with the Taser Bolt 2 self-defense device. Your safety is our top priority. Looking for a stylish and discreet self-defense tool? Our GlamGuard Lipstick Stun Gun is the perfect choice. With its compact design, it easily fits in your hand or purse, making it convenient to carry wherever you go. This stunning device not only provides an electrifying jolt and a loud sound that will scare off any attacker but also doubles as a powerful 100-lumen flashlight, ensuring you'll always have a bright light at your disposal. The concealed technology of this stun gun is truly impressive. Hidden in the front bezel lies a high-voltage concealed stun prong capable of immobilizing an attacker, giving you the crucial time needed to escape. Plus, with our lifetime warranty and 100% satisfaction policy, you can feel confident knowing that we stand behind the quality and effectiveness of our product. Stay safe and stylish with GlamGuard Lipstick Stun Gun. When it comes to personal safety, the Police Stun Gun 628 is the ultimate choice. This stun gun flashlight combo delivers the strongest available power, ensuring your protection in any situation. The built-in LED tactical flashlight not only illuminates your path but also acts as a powerful tool to temporarily blind attackers, giving you the advantage to immobilize them with ease. For added security, the stun gun features a 120 dB loud siren alarm that can be activated to scare off potential threats. The rubberized coating ensures a firm and comfortable grip, fitting perfectly in your hand. With its internal rechargeable battery, you can simply plug it into a standard wall outlet for a complete recharge, no batteries needed. Its convenient size of 5 by 1.5 by 1 makes it easy to carry, and the included holster case adds even more convenience. Plus, you'll be pleased to know that this stun gun comes with a lifetime warranty. Stay protected and confident with the Pink Power Protection Stun Gun. Looking for professional self-defense equipment that provides powerful protection? Look no further than the 928 Police Stun Gun. This heavy-duty stun gun flashlight combination is designed to deliver the strongest available power, ensuring your safety in any situation. With its shock plates on the side, it becomes virtually impossible for anyone to snatch it from you. The non-slip rubber coating allows you to mold the unit to your hand, providing a firm and comfortable grip. Plus, the internal rechargeable battery eliminates the need for batteries and can be easily recharged using a standard wall outlet. Measuring at a convenient size of 6.5 inches long and 2 inches wide, it is compact and portable. For easy everyday carrying, this stun gun also comes with a free holster case. Trust in the 928 Police Stun Gun for unrivaled self-defense power and peace of mind. When it comes to personal safety, trust the professionals with the Sabre Pepper Spray 3-in-1 Stun Gun. This self-defense kit is designed to provide reliable protection when you need it most. Sabre is the #1 pepper spray brand trusted by police and consumers worldwide, so you can have peace of mind knowing you're using a top-quality product. With 35 bursts and a true 10-foot range, the powerful stream of pepper spray will effectively stop assailants while minimizing wind blowback. Plus, it comes with a built-in clip for easy carrying. The stun gun delivers a painful 1.250 C charge to help defend against attackers, and its anti-grab bar technology ensures that it shocks anyone attempting to take it away from you. On top of that, this kit features a bright 120-lumen flashlight, making it convenient to locate door locks in the dark. The built-in rechargeable battery ensures multiple uses, and the included stun gun wrist strap, holster, and pepper spray belt clip make carrying easy and accessible. As an added bonus, the packaging includes links to free training videos and safety tips to help you maximize your personal safety. Stay protected with the Sabre Self-Defense Kit. It's your ultimate defense companion. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 stun guns and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.